Hello. Hello, my dudes. Today, you're smart sale. I know. It sucks. Let's get on with it. Okay. Let's see. How do you write this to the second power in standard form? Let's see. 1, 2. So I would say it would be 725. Super. How do you write this in standard form? 0.823. Yo, I'm like big brain right now. How do you write this in scientific notation? So when you do scientific notation, you don't want big stuff like this. Nothing above 10. So you want to change that to a 4.23. So then you put it right here. Makes it actually pretty good. When you get into the upper range, you'll probably be doing it. And you go like 1, 2. Okay. Let's see what I did wrong. Okay. Alright, scientific notation. I thought it was 4.23. 1, 2. Oh. Okay. So, I got that one. Okay, so you go like this, watch. 0.0, that's your 2 spaces you're putting left. And you put a 9, so you just forget about that little bit right there. As again, you put a decimal point right in front of the, after the 8, so 8.39 times 10 to the 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. How do you, oh my gosh, I only made like 3 points right there. How do you write that in standard form? It keeps the same because if you put it, you don't put it anything. How do you write this in standard form? This in standard form. Alright, you're 12 to the last and you put a 0 over there. How do you write 8.8? In standard form. As again, let's keep it the same. I have to get up to a 90. I should green little thing right here. How do you write 85.5 in scientific notation? Put it right here. 1. Good job, Timmy. How do you write 38,700 in scientific notation? Let's go like this. Remember, just slide. That can be 1, 2, 3, 4. Just do little backwards jumps. Like you do on like the bottom of the moon or something. How do you write this in scientific notation? 8.85. I think you guys got the hang of it. So you go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey, I just need, I think one more. How do you write this in scientific notation? 4.74 times 10 to the second power. Please be right. Oh, yes. So we actually finished that one, so we go on to the next one. let's get on to that if it can load. Actually, that might not even. I was just gonna be stupid, but I'm just show you. Beginning part. Okay, if I just refresh the page, it'll be like that, but I don't feel like it because then I'm just gonna slow down my computer. Okay. Comparing numbers written in scientific notation. Let's check this out. I didn't even start this one. These things are tomorrow for my class, but I'm not gonna tell you. Because then you'll figure out what it is. Where I go. But you already know my name. It doesn't really matter. Actually, no, it does. But who cares? 6.4 times 10 to the second power, or 64. 1, 2. This is greater, because it's actually 640. This, or this. Obviously, this. Come on, you just have to look at this. It has more. Come on. Okay. Equal, because if you put it 1 right, that would be 76.7, and that's 76.7. Equaled. You just have to space jumps. Obviously this one. Because that one's going down. Okay, 0 behind. So you see this? These are equal because if you put it backwards, they're both 4. 1, 2, 4. 9.7. 1, 2, 3. Those are equal because they both. You just check the thing. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 5. So I would say this one is greater. So that's why you actually look at the stuff. You mess up like me. This one is greater because that one actually has a 0 before it. Wait, oh, I accidentally. You guys know I meant to put that right there. Okay, which time makes the statement true? 1, 2, 1, 2. This is easy as heck. It's obviously this one. Obviously this. Obviously this. Obviously this. Oh my gosh. Obviously that one. Hey. Obviously this one. That one's negative. Okay, I need to go as quickly for 50-minute mark thing. Obviously this one. Oh, 1, 2. Obviously this one. Or we just have to look at these exponents when they're the same. I would say they're the same, so I'm gonna do that work. I should have looked at that work. 5.60 or this. 1, 2, probably this. Actually, probably that. This by far. No zeros right there. Ah, blah 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 bee 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 bee. Do 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 do. I am going down in smart score. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm gonna have to stop soon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are the same. They are the same! What do you mean? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't get it. This is why I hate GaiaXL. Everything on it just doesn't make sense. Yes, that's totally right. Because that's not right. How is that equal? Like, actually, don't move it anything. How is that equal? I don't know. Because of the jumps. Because of the jumps. Because of the jumps. Because of the jump. This is so stupid. Ugh, this is why I hate it. Okay, I'm gonna have to start it in like a couple minutes, maybe 2 minutes. I would say, you know, greater. Ooh, chop. Hey, I think it's this one. This is what I don't get. How is that? How is 8 point? Oh. Okay, bros, I'm gonna have to stop really soon. 4.8, I'm sent to the 8th power. 8.4. Obviously, if you look at the problem, it's obviously this one, because that one is a bigger number. Please be right. Thank you. Oh no! No! Oh my gosh, this is so stupid. Okay, so if you liked the video, please make sure to like and subscribe, and turn on the bell and stuff, you know. I'm gonna be doing more IXL videos. I gotta go, kiddos. Goodbye.